This video explains how to use QE for capacitive touch with FSP in Keil MDK. The project configuration is for the Capacitive Touch Evaluation System for RA2L1 board. The development process flow is as shown. First, generate the files using QE for capacitive touch in eSquareStudio. You may refer to the 3 videos available on the Renaissance website about how to generate files using QE for capacitive touch in eSquareStudio. Next, follow this video from here onwards to create the project and copy the QE files to Keil MDK. The tools used in this video are as shown. Please get the latest FSP with eSquareStudio and tool installers from FSP GitHub page. For details on using the QE for capacitive touch in Keil MDK, please refer to this application note. Next, create the Capacitive Touch project in Keil MDK. Run the RA Smart Configurator application to create a project for Keil MDK. Enter the project name and location. Specify the board and IDE project type. RTOS selection, no RTOS. Project template selection, bare metal, minimal. Click Finish to create project. Upon successful creation of the project, the FSP Smart Configurator window will pop up. Navigate to the project folder, double-click the project file to open it. Project is opened by Keil MDK. Right-click on the project and select Rebuild all target files. The project should be built without error. Next, add touch drivers to the project in Keil MDK. To configure RSC in Keil MDK, select Tools, Customize Tools menu. New. Fill in the fields as shown to add RA Smart Configurator. Now, open FSP configuration of the project in Keil MDK by selecting Tools, RA Smart Configurator. In Smart Configurator, select the Pins tab. Select the Capacitive Touch Sensing Unit CTSU0. Ensure that the operation mode and the TS pins are enabled. In the Stacks tab, click New Stack, CapTouch, Touch, RM Touch, to add the Capacitive Touch middleware. Click Generate Project Content button to generate source files, and close the RASC. Finally, copy the QE files from eSquareStudio to Keil MDK and build the project. Copy the tuning parameter files from eSquareStudio project and paste them in the Keil MDK project folder. In Keil MDK for ARM, click Source Group 1 and rename the group name to QEGen. Right-click on QEGen group and select Add Existing Files to Group QEGen. Select all the source files inside the QEGen folder and click Add to add them into the project. Right-click on Target 1, select Options for Target 1, then click C, C++, AC6. Click on the 3 dots button to add Include Directory. Click on New, Insert, icon to add the QEGen folder into the list of Include Directories. Click OK to close the dialog. Right-click on Target 1 and select Rebuild all target files. The project should be built without error. For more information about QE for capacitive touch, please visit our website.